Okay. Hello, friends. My name is Vartika and I'm an IT professional. I belong to a place in UP, Lakhimpur Kheri. So today I will be sharing my learning from the chapter Manage Your Environment, Go First Class from the book The Magic of Thinking Big. You know, friends, there is a saying that you are the average of 5 people you associate with most. So do not underestimate the effects of your pessimist, unambitious, or disorganized friends. If someone is not making you stronger, they are making you weaker. You know, the mind reflects what its environment feeds. It just surely the body reflects the food which you are eating. The number one obstacle on the road of high level success is the feeling that the major accomplishment is beyond reach. Most of the times we will be hearing, as you know, we are here in this community for since long, PIM and book club. So most of the time when we are approaching people, what we are hearing is that whatever you are trying to do is good, but it is not achievable or you cannot be able to accomplish it on higher level. So that is a real life example. So I think that is a association which is not good for your growth. Second point, many suppressive comments discourage us from our dreams. Example, your dreams are foolish, your ideas are impractical, stupid, or naive. Luck is what wins and you are unlucky. You will not be able to do it, trust me. You are too old, you are too young, you do not know the right people, you are in a wrong association. This eventually you will be hearing in your day to day life. And people who tell you it cannot be done almost are unsuccessful people, are strictly average people, or mediocre at best in terms of accomplishment. Accept negative advice, dear, only as a challenge to prove that you can do it. Make it a rule to seek advice from people who know gossip is poison. Avoid it. People who spread it, avoid them. And now I will be talking about how you can make your social environment first class. Do circulate in new groups. Do not restrict your social environment to same group, because eventually when you are moving out to new groups, you will be learning new things, learning new ideas. Do select friends who have views different from your own. Do select friends who stand above petty, unimportant things. We all are facing personal life challenges. Just be in association where people are trying to overcome their personal life challenges. If I talk about this association, guys, the people who are right now in this meeting, I personally know few people who are going through or who have surpassed lot many personal challenges which are beyond our belief even. But still they are part of this association because they are highly positive and they are people who are there to achieve something in their life. Not just working is something which you want to achieve in your life, right? You have to be someone who is going to leave their mark on this society and this world. So remember, if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Thank you. I hope my insights were able to make some impact on your mindset and thought process. Thank you so much.
Great.
Very nice speech, Ritika.
Very nice, Vartika. Super.